The last leg of the Ironman competition is a 26.2-mile run. Contestant A runs at a constant rate of 8 miles per hour. If contestant B starts the run 30 minutes after contestant A and runs at a constant rate of 10 miles per hour, how long will it take contestant B to catch up to contestant A? This is a uniform motion problem. To do a uniform motion problem, we again can use a table if we want to. So on the board I have a table with the formula rate times time equals distance. We have contestant A on the board and also contestant B. The rate for contestant A was 8 miles per hour. The rate for contestant B was 10 miles per hour. The time for contestant A is different than the time for contestant B. Remember that contestant A started a half hour earlier than contestant B. So in other words, contestant A will be running for a longer period of time than contestant B. So if I put X for the time for contestant B, then the time for contestant A must be X plus 1/2, a half hour longer. Now, to find the distance, remember, we're using distance equals rate times time. So I'll multiply those two quantities together in each column to get our distances. So we have 10x on the bottom, and on the top we will have 8 times x plus 1/2. Now, in the problem it said that they travel the same amount of distance, or in other words, one contestant is going to catch up to the other contestant. So their distances will be equal to each other. So my equation I'm going to set up as 10x equals 8 times x plus 1/2 to show that when contestant B catches up to contestant A, they have caught up to each other. Now let's solve this by distributing first, and I'll have 10x is equal to 8x plus 4, and then I will subtract 8x from both sides. That'll give us 2x is equal to 4. Now let's finally divide both sides by 2 and get x is equal to 2. Now remember that we used x to represent how long it takes contestant B to catch up to contestant A. So it'll take 2 hours for contestant B to catch up to contestant A. The solution to this problem in a complete sentence is it will take contestant B 2 hours to catch up with contestant A.